Hey guys, here with another video, and today I'm gonna be reacting or whatever to puppy videos because I need some cuteness in my life. So yeah, we're gonna be watching that top one, and I am trying to put in my charger because it fell out. I know it's a crab trap. Well, we're gonna watch that first one up there because I think it looks pretty cute. I feel hurry.
Nico!
Dang, it's loud. Will you turn down? Is it ever going to turn down? Oh. Oh. Oh, the door's open. Cute. Uh-oh. Is it gonna happen? Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be jealous. I don't know. My dog's always jealous. Oh. Now that's my dog. I want it. I'm gonna find that person's house. Oh, I think it's kind of going to an ad. Okay, it wasn't my own ad. Oh wow, it's going to load like that again. There it goes. I think it's eating yogurt. My dog likes watermelon, and also, my dog also has a YouTube channel. You want to check it out? I'll tell you what it's called in the description so you can know how to spell it, but I'm going to tell you right now. It's Emily the dog. Okay, how long is this one? Like legit. We get it, the dog eating yogurt. Is that the same dog? Because it's flat out adorable. I actually have kittens for free. I don't want a kitten. I get rid of them. But they're not ready just yet. Oh, okay, that's not cute. That's creepy. That's just creepy. Are those huskies? Okay, I swear, if we see Dalmatians, I'm gonna die. I love them. I love them.
Who did it? Who ate my paper? No, don't yell, buddy. Listen. No, you did it, not Luna. Hey, who ate my paper? Who ate my paper? No, bad boy. Bad. Blue? Who ate my milk?
That dog is literally talking. It's saying Luna.
Hush, listen.
Dang it, that's Oh, okay, that's adorable. Oh, I like his little pink paws. Oh, it's a puppy with a baby ferret. Oh, the ferret just appeared. Okay.
Fireball, where's Tricky?
He's just gonna fall asleep. So. I'll be lucky if I find a dog actually have a kid in a stroller and the dog is pushing it. That'd actually be pretty cool. Oh, look at. Oh, yes, its eyes are beautiful. It is beautiful. Oh, yes. I want it. I need it. If anyone has any huskies or dalmatians or anything, for free or how much money or whatever, just comment down below because I really want one. Oh. I like that dog that's on top.
Come on!
Yes, beautiful husky. Kind of looks like my dog in the face of it because she has brown eyebrows, but that one has white eyebrows. Oh.
Blue here. Blue, wake up. Blue. All right, watch this. Blue, you want to go outside?
Literally
Gotcha.
my dog. If anyone wants a shout out, all you have to do is comment Muffin Squad. If you are subscribed, if you liked, and if you comment, tell me that down in the comment below. And after you did that, also comment Muffin Squad. Hashtag Muffin Squad. I just love dogs and babies. It's just cute. Oh, don't bite. Oh, it's biting its hand. That's gotta hurt. And my dog bites my hand and gets hold of my pinky and it really hurts. Now that, the baby's choking that dog. Are they like wrestling or something? Someone save that baby. It's hurting that dog, so that dog is gonna hurt it. That's savage. No savage. Just half of it ate my sandwich just sitting there. It's not half, but a piece of the sandwich. Oh, I think I watched this. Okay, too much cuteness. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna end this video right now because it's too much cuteness. If y'all like the video, give it a big thumbs up and tell me, like I said earlier, comment down below, subscribed, or you could say subbed. Say subscribed. I say I subscribed. I turned on the post notifications, and I put a big like on it. And if you did that, always comment that down below. And then after you type all that, all you have to do is say hashtag Muffin Squad to get a shout out. But this is the end of the video, guys. You can see that there's more here, and this is their channel if you want to go see it. This is what it's called if you want to go look at it. So yeah, I'm going to go.